Hey guys, I just came in. I had to show you this. One of my lovely subscribers sent me a gift package from Sephora. And they sent me a new Bye Bye Pores. You know, I have been complaining about that the whole time for a long time, that I needed to get a new one. Well, they sent me one and a Pat McGrath concealer, which is my favorite. But with that, I got so many samples. I got this little Grande Lash, which is ridiculously expensive. A YSL Touche L'Eclat Blur Primer. Also very expensive. I guess that's why they give samples, huh? Because they want you to try it so you'll love it. An Hourglass primer, it's the setting powder. The Veil. Yeah, Hourglass Veil setting powder. And the Hourglass Vanish concealer. And a glass container. A cute little glass container. And then they sent me all of these samples for foundations. This one is the Estee Lauder Double Wear. Now granted, the samples they send you, I don't think are enough to do your whole face unless you like can mix them. But we may be doing that. The Rare Beauty from Selena Gomez. The Born This Way. This is the concealer. The Stay Naked Urban Decay, which I had, and I just gave it to my daughter like a week ago. But I liked it. I just had too many foundations, and she was here, and so I just gave her that one and a bunch of other stuff. The Sephora collection, which I think, didn't Angie at Hot and Flashy say that this was really good? I don't know about the new one that she just tried, but this looks like it's different. So this may be the old one. Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue. We haven't tried that. Tent Idol Ultra Wear from Lancome. I love this stuff, and I don't have it anymore. I don't know what I did with it. Either took it back or maybe I didn't buy it. Maybe I just had a sample before. But I remember it was really good. So, but these samples are very, very tiny. See? And they don't feel like there's hardly anything in there. So, I don't know what kind of, I don't know. It seems like they should give you a sample that's enough to do your face. But I think they give you enough to just to check the color or something. And the NARS concealer, which I already have, but you know, and they're very small too, but with concealer, small is fine. And that's it. I just wanted to show you that because I thought I never get great stuff like that when I order from Sephora, but they did, and I ended up with it, so it's great. Thank you so much for the gift. And I'll check back in a little while. I think I'm going to do an Amazon haul. Hey guys, how's everybody doing? Today, for part of this vlog, I'm going to show you my Amazon haul. It's mostly stuff from my husband. He put a bunch of stuff in the cart, and so I ordered it at the same time as I ordered my stuff. But my stuff is 3 pairs of sunglasses. So we'll start with them. I ordered these beauties from Amazon. What do you think? Are they me? I think they're me. I can't really see them in the camera though, so I don't know how they look on the camera. But they are $10 on Amazon. And it comes with a cleaning cloth, a little screwdriver, and a case. I've got too many of them. I'll show you the next pair. This is the case that it comes with. I don't see the case for that one. I thought it was, Oh, it's the gray one. This is the case. Oh, it's got 2 cases in there. I don't know why they gave me 2 cases with 1 pair of sunglasses. I also got them, the same ones. They're all the same. In red. What do you think? I love them. And they also came with the same stuff. And then the other one is a 2-pack. And I think it was only 16. And they are the same though. They're both black and gray. I think the gray must be the lenses. Because those, when you order them, and they all came from different sellers on Amazon. So anyways, these are the black ones. And they're solid black. So the gray must be, they look like black lenses too, but they said black and gray. But anyways, I got 2 pair of these. Just in case I drop one in the river or something. But these were $16.99, and you get them in the same thing you get. Here's the other pair, and you got 2 cloths and 2, I guess there's 2 cloths. I guess I should look. I have to take them off because they're very dark, which is great because I don't like to wear my designer ones like at the river or at the beach because they'll get ruined. And I have red Gucci ones, and I have white Prada ones, and then I have the tortoiseshell and the Chanel ones. This is just a cleaning cloth. So let's see. If I only got 1 case, then it's a good thing the white one sent me 2 cases, huh? Nope. Oh, and here's another cleaning cloth. Maybe that cleaning cloth didn't go to this. Nope, 1 case. I could have swore this one had 2 of these little packages in there, though. But I don't see it now. Maybe this is it. This is it. So this one must have went with this one. And yeah, the white ones are still in here. And they all come with a cleaning cloth. The black ones didn't come with a little screwdriver, but the other 2 did. So I got plenty of screwdrivers. Okay, moving on. So what my husband ordered, and this is the best. Because I don't know where he thinks he's gonna wear this, but he thought it was cool because he likes bright colors. So we're gonna open it so you can see it. Because I haven't opened it, but I saw the picture on Amazon and I thought, are you crazy? Where are you gonna wear that? And then I decided, well, since you bought this Hawaiian shirt that's made in India, we're gonna have to go to Hawaii. That's all there is to it. So this is it. It's pretty. See the bottom? It's like turquoise and purple and pink. Maybe you can see it better on back. I think the light's like shining through it because I can see the colors, and they, all that right there that looks white, it's really turquoise, and this is purple here, and then it gets down to pink here. So it's really bright. But, you know, if he wants it, if he's gonna wear it, that's what matters. I don't see him wearing it. I don't know, maybe someone will have a luau or something and he'll have a place to wear it. Anyways, and then he got these other shirts right here. Hold on, let me get all this junk out of my way now. All right, we've already looked at that. So these shirts, I don't think he's gonna like. I talked him into sending them back. And this is what they look like. They look really good, but they are super, super thin. So I don't think he's gonna wear them. So I'm sending them back. And he got 4 of them. There was a blue one, a red one, a black one, and a gray one. There's light gray, or actually it's not black, it's dark gray, and there is a black one, or a blue one. I don't know, I guess there were 5 of them in there, because there's 3 of them still in there, and then these 2. But I don't think he's gonna wear them. And they were $29, so I'm sending these back because they're just too thin. And then he got these polos for when he plays golf. So let's open them up and see if they're too thin too. They feel okay though. These are, I don't know, Cossniss, Cossniss, made in China. But they feel good. They are a knit, but that's okay because it's going to be hot, so. But I like this one. Can you see it? See, it's pretty. It's a gray, like a heather gray. I think that's what that's called when it's got spots in it. And then he got, and they've all got that heatheriness to them. He got this one, which is light blue. I won't hold it all the way up because you get the idea. And then he got one more that is green. So that's it for this haul. I also got this card over here that I want to show it to you, but I don't want to tell you about it yet because the thing I'm putting on it that I got it for, I'm going to make a whole video on it. It's what I'm using to heal my hips. And I'm telling you, it's amazing. I'm probably 75% healed and I've only been using it for 2 weeks. So I'm going to turn the camera and stuff around so you can see the cart. You're only supposed to look at the cart though, because like I said, once I'm completely healed and I've lost some weight and my eyes are cured, this thing is amazing. I'm going to do a whole video and I'll probably link it so that you can look into it yourself. But for now, we're just looking at the cart, okay? Okay, can you see it? This is the cart right here. And it's really, really nice. It's got 3 shelves and it rolls so well. It doesn't go up and down stairs. That's the only thing. I was trying to get my husband to buy those stair wheels to put on it. He doesn't think it'll work though. And I don't care. He carries it up and down the stairs for me, so as long as he's around, I'm good, right? I'm gonna end this video right here. I think it's gonna be kind of short this week. I don't know how much other footage I've gotten, but I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave if you haven't already, and follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I would appreciate it if you guys would follow me on Instagram and share it and save some of my stuff that I put up there. That makes the algorithm go up and they'll put it out to more people so that I can get more followers. And then by the time I get 10,000 followers, I can start adding links to the stuff I show. So that would be great. I'd appreciate it. Anyways, I appreciate you guys, whether you do it or not. I love you guys. Right. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Stay cool.